Yan. Magandang umaga ka-OPM. Ako si Jack, the Beagle Max. 6 months old. Kanyang tatay ay pure Beagle. Sa kanyang mother ay Labrador by Bull. Kukuman po natin siya ng teach the ball, sit, and lay down. Simulan na natin. Open. Jack, come. Sit. No, sit. Good boy. Pitch. Jack, come. Good boy. Sit. Lay down. Good boy. Sit. Lay down. Lay down rin. Mga ka-OPM. No, sit. Lay down. Good. Good boy. Jack. Sit. Pitch. Good. Galing ah. Come, come. Drop. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. No, 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 no. Lay down. Good boy. Good boy, Jack. Sit. Jack. No, no. Come. Pitch. Come. Come. Whoops. Come. Sit. Lay down. Good boy. Good boy, Jack. Okay. Galing ah. Next. Again. Come. Sit. Good boy. Pitch. Yan si Jack. Sit. Lay down. Good boy. Oh. Yan si Jack po. Mga ka-OPM. Kaman po natin. Ulit. Jack, come. Come. Sit. Pitch. Come. Okay. Good boy. Sit. Lay down. Good boy. Sit. Pitch. Malapit lang ah. Good boy. Sit. Pitch. Pitch up. Pitch. Come. Good boy. Sit. Lay down. Okay. Good boy. Sit. Lay down. Galing ah. Galing. Pitch. Come. Jack the Beagle Mix. 6 months old. Lay down. Good boy. Sit. Good. Hanggang dito na lang. Mga ka-OPM. Good morning na lang sa lahat. Pakipalo na rin sa ating FB page. OPM. OPM Loop at sa ating YouTube channel, OPM Loop din. Follow and subscribe na lang mga ka-OPM. Salamat.